12 Natural Home Remedies for a Dry Cough. What can I do to make my cough go away? Coughs play a role in clearing irritants and infections from the body, but persistent coughing can be annoying. There are many possible causes of coughs, including allergies, infections, and acid reflux. Here, we look at 12 natural cough remedies more detail. 1. Honey tea. To use honey to treat a cough, mix 2 teaspoons (TSP) with warm water or an herbal tea. Drink this mixture once or twice a day. Do not give honey to children under 1 year of age. 2. Ginger. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough, as it has anti-inflammatory properties. It may also relieve nausea and pain. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound which may have anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It may also be beneficial for several conditions, including a dry cough. 4. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is a type of herb. It's used in cough syrup and in lozenges to soothe dry cough. 5. Peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which helps to numb nerve endings in the throat that become irritated by coughing. This may provide pain relief and reduce the urge to cough. 6. Masala tea. The taste of chai tea has become very popular in the United States in recent years. In India, chai is used to treat conditions such as sore throat and dry cough. 7. Capsaicin. Capsaicin, a compound found in chili peppers, has been sourced to reduce chronic coughing. 8. Aromatherapy with eucalyptus. Eucalyptus essential oil may help ease dry cough by working as a decongestant. Try adding eucalyptus to a diffuser, spritzer, or inhaler. You can also add a few drops to hot water in a bowl and inhale the steam. 9. Use a humidifier. Dry air can aggravate a dry cough. Humidifiers put moisture into the air, which can provide relief. 10. Use an air purifier. Air purifiers can help rid your home of airborne irritants, such as dust and smoke. They also reduce allergens, such as pet dander and pollen. 11. Gargle with salt water. Gargling with warm salt water will help ease the discomfort and irritation caused by a dry cough. Salt water also helps kill bacteria in the mouth and throat. 12. Antitussive cough syrup. Antitussive cough medications work by diminishing the cough reflex. This alleviates the desire to cough, making them especially beneficial for dry coughs. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more health tips. Also, please follow our Facebook and Instagram pages for instant updates.